Thank you for joining us in today's class. Now, in this class today, we are going to be working on structuring of our newly curated forum. Now, what is forum? Forum is a place, an online discussion board which people exchange ideas and discussion issues, especially important public issues. Now, a forum is a place where people come together to discuss on a topic and deliberate, collaborate, share ideas. Now, when it comes to curating a forum with WordPress, you can have a series of forum. You can have a forum that people can discuss about educational issues. You can have a forum that people can discuss about politics. You can have a forum that people can discuss about technologies. So all these forum can be categorized, can be sectioned in your website. So to get that done properly, we have to work on structuring. So that is what brought today's topic, structuring your forum. So to structure your forum, you need, first of all, you need to log in into your WP admin. You need to be in your admin section. So go ahead to log in into your WP admin. Log into the WP admin. Now, once you are logged into the WP admin, click on the icon to review the hidden menus. Click on it, then scroll down to, you will see a section that says forum. Now, this menu was added after installing the forum plugin for our website. So click on it. Now, once you click on it, it's going to display some other sub menus. Can you see? We have structure, appearance, user group, ads, and settings. So where we are going to exactly in today's class is structure. Click on structure. Click on structure. Now, once you click on structure, you can see this is like the basic or skeletal structure for your forum. You have a category called example category. Now look at this example category. Now let me quickly display the how our forum is on the website. Can you see this example category here also? Now that's the example category. Also look at this section that says first forum. Go to the main website, look at it again, first forum. So that will tells you that what you are saying here is what is being presented in the home page of our forum. But we can edit this because it doesn't sound well that your web your forum is having example category, is having first forum. We want to give it a category that it's category name that fits what that forum sections is about. We don't want to use the word first forum. We want the title of our forum to be a name that when people see, they can easily identify or recognize what discussion goes on in that forum. So what can we do here is we can either delete this category or we edit it. So I'm going to edit this category and edit the forum then also create additional categories and also additional forums. So I want to go along with me. Pay attention. Pay attention. So to edit this category, yeah, I have to click on this. Can you see that? Click on that text. Once I click on it, it displays a field called edit category. Can you see this? Edit category. So now let us rename this example category to the word lifestyle. Lifestyle matters. Lifestyle matters. Now I want to quickly show you this also. Look at access. What does this access means? Now click on this drop down list. It's a select option. So click on it. You can see it says everyone, logged in users only, moderators only. What the access is saying exactly is who can access that lifestyle matters category, who can access the forum we have in that category. Is it everybody that can access it, or anyone who is logged in only, or moderators only? So we have to choose, because whatever we choose here is what will happen on the home page of our forum. So choose either for everyone, but I'm going to leave this for in everyone. I will leave this in everyone. So I will click out, then order. What does order means? We can have 3, 4, 5, 6 or 10 different categories. Now we want to have our categories organized. Maybe you want this category to be the first category, or you want it to be the fifth category, or you want it to be the 10th category. So order, by giving it a number, is going to instruct WordPress where this category should be positioned in the displayed categories. So also there is a section here called user group. User group, can you see that? Now we are going to be majoring more or discuss more on this user group in our next class, but we just give a quick explanation of what user group does. User group allows us to specify who are the set of people that should access that category. For example, you created a category for all logged in users, but you don't want everybody to have access to it. Maybe you want only age group of 18 down or 17 downward, or what is going on in that group is like for adults alone. So you want anyone who is above 17, from 18 above, are the ones that should access that category. So you are setting the user group for 18 and above. So that will be what you choose in this user group. But we have not added any user group. The example user group you are seeing here is what was created when we activated the plugin. So it wasn't you that created this, but in our next class, when we'll be talking about user group, then we are going to be creating a user group and be adding users to that user group, so that once we choose a user group here, anyone who does not belong to that user group will be unable to access that category and the forum in that categories. So just let's leave that box unchecked for now, and let's move on. Now you can, after adding all the category name, choose who to access it, set the order, then we can now save it. Because remember, as I used to say, if you did not save any changes, it will not be stored in the database. So click on save. So once you click on save, it is going to be stored in database, and you can see say structure updated. So let's go to our forum home page. Now let's refresh. Let reload this page. Now can you see, as I reload that page, the example category has changed to lifestyle matter. Oh, there's a mistake there. It's supposed to be lifestyle matters. So we can still edit it. So I'll go back to the dashboard where the structure is, so you can see this was where the error was. So all I need to do is just to click on edit category. So click on edit category and change it. So matters. So once that is done, I'll click on save. Once it is being saved, it's going to be updated in our own page for the forum. Can you see it is now updated? So we still have the forum titled first forum. Can you see that? Now let us edit the first forum and give it a name that can be understandable for anyone who wants to join that forum, who wants to join that conversation, anyone who wants to join the discussion going on. So let us go back to our dashboard. Now the same way we edited the category, we can also edit the forum. Can you see this? Forum is titled first forum, but we want to give it a name that can be well understandable. So all you need to do is just to click on this arrow pointing downward. Once you click on it, it's going to expand it out. You can see, and there are so many other commands we can now use in it. Now we can create a subforum. Now what is subforum? You can see add subforum. What is subforum? It means if we're adding a subforum, it's like we are adding a forum under another forum. This forum will be like a parent to another forum we are about to add. So but what we want to do right now is we want to change the word first forum and also change the description. So all we need to do is just to click on edit forum, and as you can see also, in case you want to delete the forum, all you need to do is just to click on delete forum, and you'll be asked, are you sure you want to delete? And if you tell the system, okay, I'm sure I want to delete this, click on yes, click on OK, and immediately the forum will be deleted. But note that if you should delete a forum, every topics in that forum also will be deleted, and once they are deleted, there is no way you can retrieve them back. So always be careful of whatever you are doing. So click on edit forum. Now once you click on edit forum, can you see that a box is being opened up titled edit forum. So let us edit this forum. We are changing the name from first forum to men outfit. Men outfits. Can you see that? So we can also change the description to something that explains more about what we are doing in that forum called men outfit. We can just give a description of fashion in a way of beauty. Fashion in a way of beauty. So you can see the parents, can you see that is just life matters, lifestyle matters. Can you see? Now, in case we've created so many other categories or so many other forums, we are going to see them here. So you have to be sure of what you are doing, because any parent you choose for it, that is where the forum or the sub forum will be positioned, will be added. So let's move on. Now this section says icon. Let me quickly show you what that icon meant. Let me scroll down to where the forum has been created already. Look at this, like, chat icon. Look at this icon. That is what it's meant by icon. So always choose an icon that is related to what the name of your forum is. Now, how do we get those icons? How do we get the names? Because this is a font icon. So how do we get those icons? We have been given a link. You can see list of available icons. So just click on that link. Once you click on that link, it's going to open a new tab. Now, in the new tab that was opened, you can now look at the icons that are related to what the forum is all about. The page is loading. So once it comes up, it's going to show us different icons. Now you can see we have over 1,500 icons, more than 1,500 icons you can choose from. So just scroll up. Can you see? These are icons. So just look at any of these icons that are similar to what the title is about. Now our forum name is Lifestyle Matters. That is the category name. But the forum itself, what name do we give it? It's called Men's Outfit. That's the name of the forum. So we have to choose an icon that represents men outfit. So just scroll down. Keep looking at the icons. To see the ones that fits what you need. Just for the sake of time, let's choose any of these icons. I want to show you how to get the icon name, because what we need here exactly is the icon name. Can you see this name? For the icon that was here by default, for this icon, this was the name that brought it up. The FAS space FA hyphen comment. That is the code that brought it there. So we need how to get the codes to use for those icons. So let us choose this. this. Just click click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to load up. It will load up. So once it comes up, you have to exercise the patient for it. Can you see it's now loading up? So once it loads up, this is the name we are getting. Can you see? This one is called FAB space FA hyphen audible. So that is the name we are getting out. So I'm going to copy it. How do I copy? I will click on the FAB. Can you see? Then I'll use my mouse. Make sure you don't copy the quote. And if you mistakenly copy the quote, don't worry. When you're about to use it in the section of your forum, you're going to edit it. So let's go back to, I've copied it. So let's go back to the forum where we are adding the editing the forum. So let's delete this. So I'm going to paste it in. Now you can see this comes with a quote, so I have to take it off. So this is the name of that icon, FAB space FA hyphen audible. So I will scroll down and click on save. So once I click on save, our forum name, description, and the icon is going to be updated. Can you see? Structure updated. So let us go to the forum home page. Let's refresh. Wow, can you see? It has now changed. We now have a different icon. We also have a different name, and we also have a different forum. Can you see that? If we have a different name, we have a different description for our forum. So that is how to edit the forum category. That is how to edit the forum itself. Now let us add a new category and also add a new forum. Now I will be showing you how to add a new category and add a new forum. To add a new category, just go to your dashboard. Remember to access the forum section in your dashboard, go to your dashboard, open up the menu bar by clicking on that three icons, then scroll down to where you see the word forum. Click on forum, then click on structure. So you see this word category. Also is at the bottom likewise, category. So if you're adding a new category, let's assume this forum is made for laughter, this forum is made for lifestyle. This category is set up for lifestyle, and in it we have men's outfit. So we will still create 2 more forum in that lifestyle matters category. We are going to create women's outfits, ladies outfits. We're also going to create children outfits. Now you can decide to have as much as possible forums you like, but let me show you how to create a category. Now this category is going to be called educational sectors. So click on add category. You can either click on this one or you click on this one, either of the two you can use. So now once I click on add category, a box gets opened up that says add category. Can you see that? So I'm going to add a category name, calling this educational sector. So once you give it a name, then scroll down to choose access. Is it to everyone, or to log in user only, or to moderators? So let us leave it at everyone. What of the other? The user group, they are, oh, let's leave them the way it was. So click on save. Once you click on save, the category is going to be created. You can see we now have educational sector. Now remember, these lifestyle matters has now been brought to the bottom of the educational sector, assuming we have order set for it, and that is why we are given the privilege to set an order, because the two are just one. If I had set the educational sector to be 2, automatically is going to come to the bottom of lifestyle matters. But because I'm using default order, the lifestyle matters comes to the bottom of educational sector. But let us move on. I'm just shipping this in case you want to reorganize the way the category are being set, have been arranged. So we've created a category. Let us add a forum in that category. Now, this first forum is going to, we are going to be adding a first forum that will be called Mathematics Department in the educational sector. So we call this, we are going to create a new forum by clicking on that add forum in that educational sector. So click on add forum. So once I click on add forum, you can see a box get displayed. So I'm going to name this Mathematics Department. Now, the name has been set. We are also asked to provide like a description. Let us give it a short description. Like solving problem. Solving problems is our priority. Solving problems is our priority. So you can now choose the parent. Now remember, because we now have 2 different categories and we have a forum, we can now switch where do we want this newly curated forum to belongs to. Now you can see, using the radio button, choose where you want to belongs to. It should be in educational sector, so click on the educational sector. Also, we are to give it an icon that represent what the name of our forum is. So remember, for we to get the icon to use, we have to click on that link to look at the list of icons available. So check that page, click on the link, it's coming up. Now there's another quick way of getting the icons you need by just typing in a keyword that represents the kind of icons you're looking for. So just click on this search box. Click on the search box. Then we are looking for an icon that we can use to represent our mathematics department. Just type the word math. Now that is going to look for icons that are mathematics related. You can see we now have some icons that we can choose from. Can you see this? calculator, I have the square roots. So let us choose this. Click on this. It's going to load up. So once it loads, you can see it's now loading. Once it get loads that up, we are going to copy. We are going to copy the name. You can see this is what you need to copy. Can you see that? So click on it. And copy. So you now have to go to your dashboard where you are creating a new forum. At that section where the icon section, delete what is there by default and paste in the new icon name. Now any other special characters, you can see this has a less than sign, greater than sign, has some other characters. Delete them, they are not part of the icon name. So once you've done that, you can now save. Now quickly, I want to point your attention to something. Look at this status. That section status is also important. Click on that box at the bottom of it that says normal. Now you can either set your forum to be a closed forum or a forum that require approval of the administrator. People can create a topic in your forum, but if your forum is normal, automatically the topic is going to be submitted for everyone to view. But what if the person that created the topic is trying to spam your forum? So that is why sometimes it is always advisable to make your forum be an approval status, to be in an approval status, that anyone who creates the topic has to be approved by the admin or by the moderator of that forum before that topic can be available for everyone to see. Now, closed. What does closed means? If you create a forum and you set the status to closed, no user will be able to create a topic because that forum has been set to close. Only the moderator and the admins are the one that can create a topic, in that forum. And forums that are being set to closed as its status are always like forum where announcements are being made, where some valuable information about the platforms are being dropped. So when you are choosing the status for your forum, always understand what that forum is about to do, or what you are setting up that forum section for exactly. So let's leave it at normal. Now this order also, remember, as I said earlier, that order is going to it works in a way that you tell WordPress how your forum should be organized. You can have 3, 4, 5 forum in a category. So how do you want the category to organize the forum? Do you want mathematics department to be number 1, and you want English or commercial to be number 2, or you want biology to be number 3? So you have to understand the structure. But by default, if it is 1, 1, 1, it will drop every forum is going to be stacked under each other. So let's move on. Once you have done the necessary setup, you've added the name, added the description, the parent, the icon, the status, then you go ahead and click on save. Click on save once you are done. Once we click on save, you can see the structure has been updated. So let us go back to our home page of our forum. Refresh it. Can you see now? We now have educational sector. That is the category we created, educational sector. Then we also have a new forum called mathematics department. Can you see this? So now we now have two categories and we have two different forums. Now, before I round up today's class, I'm going to show you how to add a sub forum. How to add a sub forum. Now, to add a sub forum, let's go back to our dashboard where we are working on the forum. Now, to add a sub forum, just like a child of a forum, click on this icon that drops down on the parent forum. Click on that icon. Once you click on that icon, can you see it expands and give us some other functionalities? We can see this section that says add sub forum. Don't forget, as I said earlier, that you can also delete a forum. And note, if you are deleting a parent forum, it's going to, every topic in that forum and even the sub forum will be deleted also. So always know what you are doing. So to add a sub forum, click on that add sub forum. We are asked for the name of our sub forum, the description, just the same thing like the parent forum, but just that this sub forum is going to be placed under a forum. So remember, we are adding our sub forum under mathematics department. Now let us give the sub forum a name of, let's call it quadratic equation. Okay, let us give it a name of quadratic. Let's give it a name of quadratic. So the description, we can just give it the description of understanding things more. In a better way. So that is the name and the description for our sub forum. So what's the parent? The parent is the mathematics department. Now I want you to notice something here. Mathematics department is the parent of our sub forum. If we should choose educational sector or we choose lifestyle, then quadratic, that sub forum that we are trying to create, will no more be a sub forum, but will now become a forum under educational sector, if that is all we choose, or it will become a forum under lifestyle matters, if that is all we choose. So if you are adding a sub forum, always remember the name of the parent forum and choose that. And remember, because this, we are adding a sub forum under mathematics department, so choose mathematics department as the parent forum. Also, we have to add the icon. Now to add the icon, remember how we used to do it. So click on that link. So just type the word math, and it's going to display icons that are mathematics related. So we want to get an icon for that. Okay, let us choose this subscript. So it's going to load up, and we then copy the icon name. When you click on the icon, sometimes it may take some seconds before it loads up, so you have to exercise patience. So scroll down to where we get the name. Now this is the name. Just click on it to copy it. So copy, then just delete the present name for the icon, the default name, and paste the new name. Also remember, we talked about status. So choose, is it close, is it normal or approval? So choose the one you're going for exactly. Is it close, is it normal, is it approval? So let's leave it at normal. So once you have done all those things, then click on save. Now once it has been saved, let us go and reload our forum homepage. Now you can see a subforum has now been added. Can you see this? The way subforum is being displayed is different from the way normal forum are being displayed. So that is why I said I want to quickly show you how to go about setting up a subforum. So I believe with this class today, you've understand how to structure your forum. Now in our next class, we are going to be working on user group. Remember I told you that we are going to be exploring more about user group, so that you can be able to assign a forum or a category to some set of people when you are trying to limit the numbers of people who have access, who can discuss in a particular discussion section of a forum. So thank you for your time, thank you for the continuity. I believe you are learning some things, and I also believe that if you are paying good attention to everything that is going on in this training series, by the time we are rounding up this training, your level of understanding in web development, I believe it should have been developed, should have been increased. So thank you for your time. See you in our next class, and stay blessed.